Okay, so this is our website. You can kind of see the cat activity dashboard with all the different activity cards here. There's idle, playing, eating, climbing and scratching, the cat being near the door, the bathroom, drinking water, and sleeping. The distribution between the different activity levels here. And then here we have just a little behavior summary that kind of sums up all the activity levels that you saw before. Moving on to logs and queries. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. We have a timestamp for each activity, the activity itself, the zone that it was recorded in, and the confidence interval, excuse me, the confidence percentage of the Raspberry Pi, essentially, like, oh, this is like how confident it is that the cat is idling and in the food zone. We have a search bar up here, functional. You can type in stuff like food. You can type in, you can filter by the activity as well. I can type in climbing. I can type in specifically scratching. It'll filter all these activities to show me specifically activities that match the search criteria. Moving on to the heat map. This is where you can basically see like where the cat is and like the different activities recorded throughout the day. So you can kind of see there's a really large concentration of the cat being in these areas here. A little bit towards the cat tree, a slight bit towards getting food, and a select here where you can drop down. And we're still, it's still in development just to kind of like state it up front. But essentially here is where another image would go of the cat and its like different activities in terms of like it being recorded. So like it would be the same image, the same activity zones, but the actual like green dots would be in different places unless the cat has the exact same activity across different days. Moving on to the last page, AI generated reports. This essentially uses AI generated by Mistral via the Oyama model, and what it does is it just looks at all the different activities throughout the day. Again, essentially like the logs throughout a specific 24-hour period. Again, this specific period is the 5th of April, and it'll just essentially like showcase, okay, this is like what the cat did from the morning. This is what the cat did in the afternoon. This is what the cat did in the evening. Um, and yeah, that is essentially it. We also have a drop down here, so you can look at different reports throughout different days. You can also go using these next and previous buttons. And there's we added a button to download the report as a text file, and of course refreshing the reports as they are updated so that they are live. But yeah, that is our cat, excuse me, our cat vision motion activity tracker.